Hi, today I am showing you how to weld thin square tube easy and perfectly. It's simple trick and video. Make your day, so watch full video and learn a lot from this. First, you take on both sides equally, then weld on it, as shown in video. Every welders must know amper setting, also gauge of your job, because different job have different amper setting, and it's important point. If you want to learn welding and welding skill and make career around the world in any company or projects, then watch our channel's video. It's give you basics of welding and also promoted you.